穿着不错哈。拍照了。
Dick found his new passion.
I've seen these ones online before, but never. This is a fixed gear bike. Nice. This is really cool.
Got some easy money. No. Snuggling with a water buffalo. We're currently on the vegetable island, vegetable village, and we found all the vegetable patches. This is really cool. I mean, we've also just seen some questionable looking little ponds with dead fish in, so I'm not quite sure how this really works and if it's all as nice and organic and wonderful as they make out to be online. But it's still really cool. Cool to see. You can also, so I've seen a lot of papaya trees on this trip, but I don't think I've ever seen a papaya tree this tiny with that many massive papayas. It's food for the soul. Beach, waves. I mean, the sun could be here.
Yay! And
But other than that,
that's Da Nang in the very faint in the background.
yeah, I'm not
And
sure you can see it on the
picks that
camera.
up, but
The clouds are in the sky.
yeah.
The clouds are in the sky. The buildings are in the sky. I need food. We came to the, it's called the Fisherman, and it looks really lovely. We're gonna have lunch there. Wow. Very nice. We're gonna go for a quick walk now. That was a lot more than I thought. This is what it looks like when the sun's out. Guns out. Guns out. How are you doing with your hole there?
With my
Your hole.
hole here, and maybe we need to.
Oh, you've got a hole in your shorts?
Yeah.
Jeez.
I'm a poor man. I don't have whole clothes. Thank you, thank you. It's going to be very hot. Oh my god, yeah.
I let you cut like this, and then you take our skin. But now I don't do because someone they cut. Oh no! Because they forgot to wear something protect, and then also the bamboo sharp, the knife also sharp. So this I think I have to do something easy for you. So make sure you don't.
Okay.
So it's a saw. But normally it's like a normal saw.
Yes, normal, just saw, and then you have to cut like this. But this one is look simple, but not simple to you. Yeah, that looks cool. You just cut and then all the way down and come to here. But it's very hard for you, but because sometimes you don't cut smooth like this, so you don't have skill.
But it's also still very, it's not that soft. It's still very hard because you said you softened it.
So, but just
You can do it.
and then
Your face as well. I didn't know your face. Oh my god.
So this is the beginning to the frame. We basically got pre-cut bamboo that we've been bending. They already been soaked in salt water, was it? To make them bendable, malleable. So this is how it starts, basically. We got them pre-cut, so they have a profile to them. How's it going?
So
Now we're fitting them in basically the base there.
yeah, and then twist together.
Okay. So then you have to twist the metal once you've got it all in the little hooks here.
So now this is attached to the bottom here
You have to do like this.
with wire.
Measure it here, and then bend it inside.
And we're gonna do the top here next.
Boom. Done.
How you doing?
Like this?
Yeah, just like that. And then you do here, and then you do other side.
Yeah.
Hold here.
Yeah.
You hold your finger here.
Okay. Okay. I need the finger. I almost have it. Oh, but no.
No, you have to hold here. If you don't hold, this one is.
This one will.
You have to hold here.
Okay.
And then hold.
It does resemble a lantern though.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm bending. So here's the finished frame. And now we can choose colours.
Oh. Are you making these as presents?
Yeah. Because the ones that we want them bigger. So, so I figured this is a good opportunity to make them presents.
They would love.
Yeah. And we were thinking of getting them anyway, so I think it's
Sure.
and it's a wedding day.
Oh, later when you come, don't come.
We'll find people to give things to. That's okay. And finished. And this is what it looks like. Oh, shoot, wrong angle. There you go. You've got a hook there, by the way.
Oh, you can. Oh,
And this is what it looks like with the light. That one's nice. I like the yellow. Oh no, it's not yellow. It comes across as yellow, the orange on camera. Oh, that's cool. And got number 3, and now we got number 4. Not the other way.
Oh, that's nice.
less bleeding.
Yay!
Beautiful.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so here for cooking class. The electricity is out, but we will manage to cook without it anyway, they say. So here's our translator and here's our chef.
You're not going to say no to eating, are you?
No, of course not. So here's the first dish we made.
This is supposed to be the dessert though, but we're eating this first.
Banana pancakes and sugar and ginger syrup. It's quite different to the pancakes that we usually make.
Đây là đập đũa thôi. Loại kìa. Có cái máu nữa.
That looks good.
So you're going to make this for breakfast now every Sunday? Yeah. These are woodier mushrooms. They look so cute and they're really soft. And they look like ears. What is this now? Salt?
One spoon salt.
One spoon salt.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, half to 1 teaspoon, okay.
Hai muỗng này mẹ. Hai muỗng
And what's this?
Spoon flour.
What kind of flour is this?
rice flour.
Rice flour.
Now just pepper.
Oh, pepper, half a
Half
spoon.
spoon.
Okay. Something's better.
Yeah. Later.
And then you deep fry it. Yeah. Alright, let's look at this technique. Oh.
Yeah. Covering with your face. The same.
Oh.
Okay. And flop.
Ah, yeah. Hold.
And flop it.
Strong. Yeah.
Ah, well done, Dick.
Eat up, eat up.
And did you see the squeezing technique to get it out?
So I guess I'll find out now.
Yeah.
I'm trying to hurry up.
And like you squeeze it a little bit to like get it out.
Get the air in.
And then just punch it out. A bit more
I'm doing this with my left hand, which is not ideal. Oh. No! So we're making mushroom tofu patties. I cannot wait.
They look really
And
delicious.
Dick is actually doing a really good job here. I'm having trouble with this. Oh, by you switching to your good hand, try with the left hand.
No, why would I do that? Why would I make it difficult for myself?
Because then you get everything oily, that's why. Well done.
And here's the final result. Tastes amazing, looks amazing. And here's like a peanut soy sauce, ready-made. But we need to figure out the ingredients so we can either buy it or do it ourselves. So here's the beginning to the pork noodle soup. Cut down carrot, mushrooms, onion, and that's it so far I think. Getting on to the tofu, the garlic, and the ginger.
But this one we crush, no? Yeah, we mash this, yeah? This in here?
Yeah, and now we do stir fry tofu. I think deep fry. Deep fry the tofu. Yeah, because for 4 pieces.
4 pieces?
Yeah, 4 pieces. Yes.
Here's the first pot. And it's another serving up the second here.
This is the pho. Pho. No, it's not. Pho. Banana pancakes for dessert. We already had some. Mushroom tofu patties.
Can't wait to dig into this.
And one happy chap out of focus.
Yeah. Last dinner here in Vietnam. And last dinner in Southeast Asia.
It might not be the last dinner actually, because we're at the airport tomorrow.
Ah, yeah. Well, we can count the airport dinner. We're spending it here at like a vegan buffet place.